Hey everyone, I'm Anastasia, America's dental hygienist, and I'm your host for the Bell Dental Group's video blog series. And today joining us is Dr. Bell himself. Hey, Dr. Bell.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, 2015, ringing it in.
Yeah.
Many people always go for those New Year's resolutions or join the gym. Isn't there something in your practice that your current patients, or maybe somebody who's looking for a dentist in New Alexandria, Virginia, maybe they would be interested in regarding their smile and their health?
Yes, one of the things that we do that people don't always think about is that we offer appliances for snoring. We find that a lot of our patients are losing a lot of good restful sleep because they snore, or maybe their partners or household guests also lose sleep because they snore. And then these snoring appliances really work well to alleviate that problem. And so that's one of the things that I would have patients consider for 2015.
That is so interesting. Now, also, don't you have a questionnaire that patients can fill out? It might only be 8 or 10 questions, super simple, not time consuming at all. And it helps that patient understand whether or not they qualify for sleep, a snore guard appliance, or if they have something even more serious like sleep apnea, which obviously that's life threatening. That affects everybody.
That's right, in many ways. And the short answer is yes. We do use a short questionnaire, which has, I think, about 9 or 10 questions that the patient can easily answer. And it gives us a good assessment of where they are with snoring and whether or not they could possibly have sleep apnea. Of course, based on that questionnaire, we can take whatever necessary steps there are to help them with that issue.
So if I'm a patient and let's just say, okay, you know what, my husband snores, my wife snores, obviously murder's not an option here. We want to keep everybody's relationship healthy. So
Right.
how many visits does that take to your practice?
Usually 2 to 3 visits is all it takes. Um, First visit being an assessment to make sure that what we have to offer would help them. So basically, that's a consult visit. And then we actually do the necessary steps to make the appliance. And on the third visit, they would get the appliance. And that could take a span of maybe a week to 10 days from start to finish.
Great. Now, how long do they last?
Depending on the person, anywhere from 5 to 7 years is what we're finding.
That's
So,
incredible. All
yeah.
right. So obviously for you to just, you're starting this new questionnaire for 2015 to help your patients who are snoring. And if they do, even go a step further, they have sleep apnea. This is incredible stuff. And I believe you're offering an introductory special to this. Is that correct?
That is correct. And what we're doing is giving a percentage off for those who would mention this video when they come to see us for this particular service.
But here's the thing, again, you've got to fill this out before January 2015. I believe you'll get a 10% maybe discount.
That's right. We're offering 10% off for those who mentioned the video. So
That's awesome. Now, for those of you I know, hey, you might be just watching this for the first time. We encourage you, visit our fan page pretty often. Like us and tell your friends about us. And we're going to have more coming up in 2015 for you on these video vlogs. I want to thank you for joining me. And Dr. Bell, thank you for your time and your expertise.
thank you as well, Anastasia. Always a pleasure.